What up? What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? It's Tuck here, and I am here to give you 3-hour live stream notes that I have taken 7 pages of. Woo! Alright, that was probably a little too loud, but whatever. No one can hear me. So, I'm going to just jump into it. So, I'm going to give you a little idea about what we're going to do, because I only have a limited amount of time. So, there might be times where I'll try to be talking super fast or like saying things fast because I have to go. I got to go do something else, and then I got to go to work. So, thank you to oh my god, I forgot his name. But Wendy's brother, my man. Thank you for calling me out. I said something backwards last time when I had this advertisement for this video. And I didn't even know. It just went right over my head. And he's like, "Hey, Tuck, did you know you like said it like this? And then you're supposed to be like, it's supposed to be like said like that." And I was like, "No." Like, okay, I might want to check out my videos a little bit better. Well, all right, so we're gonna jump into it. This is the 3-hour live stream notes from the source that I take. You better have, all your stuff together to write your notes down. And it's going to be all over the place. You're going to be hearing stocks you've never heard before, maybe. And some of these stocks are over-the-counter stocks, and that means you have to buy them, not on any Robinhood platform. Some Webull platforms will have them, but you might have to actually go to like a Canadian legit, like, Coinbase type thing app or website to start the process and do all of it, just like you have to do with all crypto, other coin app ones. Blah. Okay, so there you go. Tlry has been a huge topic. All right, Tlry. I didn't even know what Tlry. I thought it was a train company. It's a weed company. And they are supposed to be the biggest weed company in at least the U.S. I know. And people have come in and supported this stock, like Snoop Dogg, and Elon Musk. People with a lot of money. And money moves things, as we can see, down and up. More so in the downward direction right now. But another one is CCIV. That's $39. Hey, also, all the prices I tell you, they're the prices when I took the video. Okay, they're not the current prices, so you got to look up that. But in any event, what I'm going to tell you is all good stuff. So CCIV, I'm also going to throw in that, like, people ask questions, so I'm going to be saying the question and then saying the answer from what my source says. And hopefully, you just go with the flow. Tuck's got ADD, but like you guys don't, or maybe you do, I don't know. But write down, what I say and then figure it out afterwards. CCIV, not even answering lots of hype, not even announcing lots of hype, definitely potential, swing trade opportunities on the rise. Once the merge happens, then the sell-off. Like I continually tell you guys, whenever a merge happens, there's a gigantic sell-off and your money goes away. Or you sell it right before it hits that pipe where it goes like this. You want to be like right here and then let it go. And I don't know how to tell you like when it's there. That's up to you. People expect the first catalyst which was announced already, and that bumped that stock up, Tlry. We're talking about Tlry 2 to 3 months ago. And there's a second announcement which has a second catalyst, and that hasn't happened yet. So Tlry and what's the other one? Afaria They're going to be doing I don't know what they're doing, but they're going to get together and, do something stock wise. And, they're going to make a lot of money. One of those companies, but if you buy a share in either, you're going to get one. It all equals out because they're going to be one company. It's like a merge. Maybe it is a merge because, look, I'm going to tell you, I don't know, honestly, but I know these two companies are getting together and they're going to have a lot of fun. So, and then there'll be one. And so the next one is SOS. SOS is a luxurious EV vehicles. Someone talked about that. Another one was CENS. Right, CENS, $4.16. It's a good sign. Trending upwards, up and up, making higher and higher 52-week highs. Question IDEX. We need more information. That's what my source says. XL Fleet. Have a plan, i.e. know the date of your exit point. Merging dates. Very important. Merging dates. Very important. Merging dates. Okay. Freeboat TV, question marks. I don't know. Twitter, that's a good investment. That's just my opinion, and I've seen it jump huge. It was 55 and it went up to 80. I don't know what it's at today, but with all the crap that's going on in the air, everything gets filtered through Twitter and then sent out to us. That's a great, I don't know. That's my opinion. Good one. TMDI, question mark. Some of these could be over the counter. I'm going to start saying OTC stocks. So over the counter, it means OTC. CNEX, Webull, I believe. Do you think the price will drop after releasing the lockup period, or should I just get in? Negative. As negative cows, expect the stock to go down a little. Positive. There's a date holding. Tux holding, tip, go below $30 for the buy price, plus positive, so many contracts Palantir already has ahead, ARK Invest is already invested in them. So I just gave you a lot of good info on that one. All right, another one was thoughts on CTM, and then there was no thoughts. And then there's the other one that I gave you a video already of, SENS, sense. And then what's going on, or what's going, and then I didn't write anything else. Now, OTC, TRXC, OTC stock, been trading very well. POWW, I don't know. INPX, after offering, stock could drop significantly. Ticker symbol T, RKT, rocket merging, not doing much. RKT, naked, NAKD, not a good idea. Swing trading, just like Nokia, BlackBerry, AMC, all those go, that little collection. SPCE, Virgin Galactics, new flight test, positive catalyst coming up. The extended to the upside from the short squeeze. TMDI. Shit, this is going to take a while. I'm going to have to make a couple videos maybe. TMDI. I've said the word pump and dump stocks, where they pump them up and then they they dump. And if you don't get in on that, you don't get out, you're just in the dumps. OTC stocks, watch out for these pump and dumps. They're risky, and the pump and dumps are really fast, high risk. Really fast, high risk. Okay? XL Fleet, not good, not doing anything. Just like Jim Cramer said, it's gonna be at $20, and I don't even watch him, but whatever. It's up to you if you want it. High was 35, and then there was the pullback. So that was like the biggest thing. And then we get, some of these might be repeats because other people have gone on the streaming line while I'm taking these notes, and there are new people and they're asking questions about a previous topic we've talked about. So if you hear the same thing, don't get offended by it. Just know that that's why I'm saying it. TNXP, Sense, SENS, HCMC, OT, that's an OTC stock. That one had a really good run up and then it dumped. NEO or XPEG, I don't look. You know me. I'm just Tesla, and I'm Elon Musk. So you can go ahead, but if you want to be in first place, you got to be with Tesla. You want to be in second place, you can go with whoever you want, Ford, NEO, whatever. VTNR, FUSU, or FUSV, one or the other. RESN, stocks to look up. I just said them. Golden Nuggets. Remember we talked about that? GNOG. It's a good stock, definitely long-term potential, but just like DraftKings. CEI. Energy stocks are soaring for the year 2021, like we heard. 2021 energy sector and the wind sector. Wind sector. That was the first time I heard about the wind sector. Are doing really well. HCMC OGI looks good. That's a weed stock. OG. Marijuana sector. Tlry. TLRY is the ticker symbol. $29. Lots of people shorting these weed stocks. Number $67 a day. If you see a company have go up to 100% to 200% gains within a matter of 2 to 3 days, like, do not get near it. That's like do not get into it. Wait. And also look it up, obviously. TSMP I can't read some of my writing. Warning or talking about it. I don't know. OEG, energy sector pulled back if oil prices go down. Psychedelic market. I didn't know there was one, but there is, and I guess they're doing pretty well too. There are medications that are coming out for that type of stuff, I guess. I don't know. CCIV mentioned again. Part 1 is the first catalyst. Once they say, now here's the learning education. First, this is how it goes down. First, once they say they confirm the rumor, say they're talking Lucid, taking Lucid public. CCIV and Lucid Motors equal the name of the stock or ticker symbol. Part 2, few months from now. Once they vote, they're going to vote on the merge finalized. This is when the ticker symbol changes and the company goes public. What I'm telling you are 2 positive catalysts for every single stock company. These are phases they go through, and then when they either go up or down, like at their catalytic point, if you want to get fancy. Tlry, again, a lot of short-term interest. Cannabis stock, a lot of people are in debt. Positive catalyst and short squeeze make a lot of money. OPTI, power, HCMC said that. Look at how many days and how many shares are being bought and sold when it has a huge, oh man, where'd it go? All right, well, that sucks. All right, I didn't finish the sentence. I feel like an idiot. Sorry, guys. CCIV question: would you? If I wrote this down, it's probably a good question. Would you keep some shares in CCIV through the merge, or just sell at the top and rebuy Lucid when the price drops? Answer: if you're already a person who is up to 100 to 200% profits, swing trade, for now, lock in your money. Lock in from your profits. Maybe leave a few shares in your portfolio. I definitely want to be a swing trader with Lucid specifically. Okay. All right, whatever. There you go. There's another one. There was a review of the drone made by Workhorse. Dave Tucker was not too optimistic on that at the moment. My source was not too optimistic at that on the moment. Workhorse, because of, I guess they had a drone problem, whatever. PayPal, good store transaction with Bitcoin, great thing. ARK Invest is aggressively buying into PayPal, by the way, like a lot. That's why it's going up to $300. It's $300. IPOE, Chat Maths. He's a smart man. He's just like Elon Musk. He's for the people. He is such a badass mother. He called this other guy. Remember I showed it to you on CNBC, that guy with the guy. I think the thumbnail was of the CNBC guy, and then just look up CHAMATH, and then you'll get the rest of the last name, which I can't pronounce or spell. But that guy is for you and me, you and I. Sorry. The review, blah, 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 blah. IPOE, Chatmass, took Open Doors public. He's a smart guy, sells houses online. Open Door is that you can sell houses online. Has a potential. He's into Chatmath's into crypto also. Might see ARK Invest start buying in the near future. IPOE. Volume rate increase. Volume rate it's a good indicator that's when you want to, when the volume's kind of getting, then swing trade. So look, the volume tells a story throughout the day, and when you put your finger on the screen and hold it, you'll see the volume on your Robinhood, at least volume for that. If you don't know, and you don't know what I'm talking about, we'll make another episode about volume, but I'm not going to do it right now. It's 20 minutes. All right. That's a good indicator that there's something going on with the stock, and then to swing trade it and get out as soon as possible. That's my opinion and my source's opinion. Palantir, 2021, 2022, lots of partnerships coming. So if you want to get in at $30, you're good. Keeper. UVAS, $14.70, going crazy, looking risky now. Need more research. There's an agricultural company. There's a home drone delivery. Maybe that's a home drone delivery. Then there's the best performing stock that my source covered related to Bitcoin, and that was Master. That's MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. Bitcoin related mining. All these Bitcoin related companies, they're very volatile. However, they're relatable to Bitcoin. So whenever Bitcoin goes up, there's these companies that are in the stock market now that just get a lot of love. Or not. Lots of people are getting off of Robinhood and going to Coinbase, SoFi, BlockFi, E-Trade. Tlry is merging with Afaria. Comment Tlry is going up, merged with Afaria. For every 0.08 shares per Afaria, you own one Tlry. One Tlry is going to the moon this week, according to his private Patreon. Somebody said that about this week. I think. Good to have multiple accounts set up. Brokerage accounts, i.e. Webull, crypto accounts, Coinbase. Next one, TYME. We talked about this around $1. Good investment. 52-week high, $5.52. FDA new catalyst came out at and now it's down to $2.75, so get out. SPBI, Spectrum Pharmaceuticals, $3.74, could go up or not. Get out, he said. APXT, or APEX, $15.30, sitting between 14 and 17. May pop up. We have to see and wait for the merge. PLNAHF, a new cannabis stock. Binance is a good company to use for cryptocurrency. CSP on Trit buying 100. UBX GNSS CIOXY BNGO ZOMVERU. Going to make a movie about GameStop. They're going to make a movie about GameStop. That's pretty cool. God, I gotta go. I got too many pages to go to. I'm going to have to make a second video, you guys. I'll finish up this. Globstar is a good company, $2.48. Buying after a few days after it's run up. $2 a good buy-in. There's 1.5 billion shares. Bumble, if you're into that and you're single, $75. I don't know. It's whatever. SRNE, Serenos Therapy, I did that. PSTH, $30.21. NNDM, Nano Dimensions, doing an offering every single week. Believes it will go up to $20 by the end of year 2021. ZOM is a diagnosis, different blood diseases in your pets. It's a kit, and I think that has a lot of potential in the future, and that's very cheap. Another one that I called out myself, I found out, was GILT, and you guys got all stoked about that one because it was one of those ones that used to be high and then went down and then was on its way up. Gilead Satellites, remember that? And then TSMP, and then AQB. There's this hammer company. We did it a long time ago, that video. And CRNT, nothing said. And then I'll leave you with this, and then I only need to make a note saying I stopped right here so I know. And then maybe if I have time before work, I can make it another video. Stopped. Most popular crypto coins. 1, Bitcoin. 2, Ethereum. 3, Dogecoin. Done. If you like my video, push the like button. If you don't, I should have said it a long time ago. And like it. Subscribe to Tuck Notes for stock relatable stuff, and Tuck's Crypt Notes for crypt relatable information. Love you guys. Have a great day. Peace.